Have you ever heard of bioorganic fertilizer or organic fertilizer? Bioorganic fertilizer is a natural fertilizer made up of organic waste such as animal and vegetable waste to improve the quality of soil, plants, and yield. In Malaysia, about 46 to 48% of organic waste accumulation can be found. Thus, the utilization of organic waste to compost bioorganic fertilizer can significantly reduce the waste and their impact on human and environment. Organic waste is a suitable medium for composting bioorganic fertilizer due to its richness in valuable nutrients that are essential for plant growth. The organic fertilizer either can be used on its own or being added with effective microorganisms. Addition of effective microorganisms such as bacteria or fungi would enhance the effect of bioorganic fertilizer. So, what is the difference between chemical fertilizer and organic fertilizer? Chemical fertilizer usually being manufactured in inorganic nutrient form of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Chemical fertilizer can supply high nutrients towards the plant to improve its yield quality. That is why inorganic chemical fertilizer are being favored by large plantations that values its effectiveness. However, the extensive use of chemical fertilizer can harm humans and the environment. Bioorganic fertilizer is being composted from organic waste that can be found almost anywhere. Application of organic fertilizer would assist the high nutrient uptake of the plant, thus improving the quality of soil, plants, and yield. Bioorganic fertilizer is capable in enhancing the efficiency of the plant nutrient uptake by the improvement of nitrogen fixing and nutrient solubilizing so that plants can use the nutrient directly with less residues. The vital part of bioorganic fertilizer is it do not cause any harms towards the plants and environment. In other words, inorganic chemical fertilizer is used to supply nutrients that would only benefit the plant, while bioorganic fertilizer is cycling up the atmospheric readily available nutrients for the optimal growth and development of plants while ensuring the environmental sustainability. There are several improvements on bioorganic fertilizer that have been studied, including bokashi. Bokashi is a cultivation method used to enhance the effect of bioorganic fertilizer to improve soil structure by altering its chemical composition. Next improvement on bioorganic fertilizer was done by using bacteria as effective microorganisms. Inoculation of Bacillus subtilis can improve soil quality and increase nitrogen uptake efficiency by plants, hence reducing the effect on ammonia volatilization caused by excessive ammonia emissions. Bacillus mucilaginosus is a potassium solubilizing bacteria that can solubilize crystallate this potassium into soluble form that plants can take up directly. Bacillus MWT14 can solubilize phosphorus and reduce phosphorus deficiency in plants that have been found out able to improve the growth, yields, and productivity of wheat. Bacillus amylolicopaciens has been discovered to act as biostimulants that stimulating Pseudomonas TSE78, which eventually inhibiting the growth of Fusarium oxysporum, a fungal pathogen of Fusarium wilt disease. Arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi brings improvement to bioorganic fertilizer in improving plants' water and phosphorus uptake, and it is also helps in reducing the effect of abiotic stress such as drought by maintaining bigger hydration organ and plant uptake. Yeast can be used to enhance bioorganic fertilizer in direct and direct mechanisms. Yeast can directly provide plants with various soluble nutrients that mostly are in insoluble form, and also organic acid and phytohormones that are essential for the regulation of plant physiology and growth. Indirect mechanisms of yeast that benefits plants includes the antagonistic action against pathogen microorganisms, and the activation of several defense mechanisms that are capable in reducing abiotic stress, such as high salinity and high temperature. Big players plantations such as oil palm, rubber, and paddy rice have been the most loyal and faithful consumers of chemical fertilizers since their first establishment in Malaysia. Most of these plantation organizations prefer the chemical fertilizer due to its effectiveness towards the plants. However, a study in Malaysia has proved the co-application of bioorganic fertilizer can help in reducing the dreadful effect of chemical fertilizer. BioRecur is an environmental friendly and cost-effective solid organic fertilizer that have been developed by Mardi in their aim to increase crop quality by improving plant nutrient supply and uptake. Organic farming industry in Malaysia has a relatively slow growth due to lack of knowledge and information of organic farming, consequently affect the potential of bioorganic fertilizer in Malaysia. Bioorganic fertilizer is one of the organic farming practices that can be used to reduce the effect of synthetic chemical fertilizer on the environment. Both society and government play crucial roles in spreading the importance and the high potential of bioorganic fertilizer in contributing to our beautiful and breathtaking environmental sustainability.